Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can share a window in a Google Meet. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be simple in Google Meet. Click new meeting or like join a meeting, it's up to you. And now right here, I'm going to join now. Okay. And here I'm going to be present now, and I'm going to choose window. And I can choose like whatever window I can. So I'm going to choose like, I don't know, Paint. And right now, I'm presenting the paint here. So everyone is just going to see a paint and they're not going to see anything else, right? So, and you can see the right top corner, like what is actually presenting right here. So that's pretty much it. And yeah. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.